Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how do you make a split screen effect in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, bring all your clips into our timeline, and then stack them. Now go to OpenFX, and here search for Video Collage, drag and drop this effect to this top clip. Now go to Inspector tab, then Effects. Now change the workflow to Create Tile, then under the Global Settings, set the rows and columns. For this example I've set 2 columns and 1 row. Now from you can adjust the margins and spacing. Now under the tiles settings, we have lot more control over the tiles settings. Now to make a split screen, select the top clip, then press Command or Control plus C, then select the bottom clip, then press Option or Alt plus V to paste the video attributes, then select Plugins, select the second clip, then go to Tiles Settings, then change the active tile to Tile 2. Now from here, you can mess around with all the other settings, as per your liking. Now to give a background to it, select all the clips, then drag these clips, one track above, then bring a solid color from the Generators tab. Now from the Inspector tab, we can change the color of the background. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. Happy editing!